the costs and repairs, the savings there have been to do with a lot of inventory. We only replace what we need to replace. A lot of people were buying things on bulk because you go and buy 100 doors, it's cheaper than buying one door. You buy 1,000, it's cheaper than buying 100. But a lot was being thrown away. So the unit price was cheaper, the true end-to-end cost was dearer. So we've gone to a kind of, you could describe it if you like as just in time, but a lot of it's about analysing what are the most common things that we use. We stock people's vans so that they don't have to keep driving to places. If they haven't got it, then we take the materials to them. Because one of the issues one of the costs was people keep saying, well, Fred the plumber came to do something, he didn't have the right part, he disappeared 2 hours ago, I've got to go out, where is he? We're handling all those phone calls, there's a cost to that. When they go back, they can't get in, so they've got to go back again, so now you've got transport costs and so on. The perverse thing that's come out in one of the latest surveys is there's people from, not on council estates I have to say, asking us why we've got contractors sat in vans. So there's not an understanding of the fact that actually that's cheaper than letting them drive off to a depot and come back who knows when after they've had a burger and talk to their mates. So there's a lot in inventory, a lot in travel, but we've also significantly reduced the amount of people who have to handle failure demand, because we're not getting people ringing up and saying, where's Fred? We're not getting people ringing up saying that thing you fixed last week, it's broke again. We're not getting people ringing up saying, you said you'd be here this afternoon, you're not here. So all of our costs in that sense, and they're not hard things to fix, actually, once you understand how the work works.